Hey, this is Maryam from Crochet Pool, and today we want to learn how to crochet this beautiful motif. I used these two colors of yarns, yarn needle, scissors, and 3.5mm crochet hook. Let's get started! To begin, make a slip knot with your first color and chain 16. And make a slip stitch to the first chain. And you can take this short tail along with you to hide. Now make 4 double crochets inside the ring. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. So when I say the first stitch, it means it's a single crochet plus 2 chains. Or if it's too high, you can make a single crochet plus 1 chain. And then add your 3 more double crochets. It was the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then make 4 double crochets, chain 7, 4 double crochets, and you should have 4 groups of 4 double crochets with chain 7 between each group. At the end of the row, chain 7 and make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. It should be into the second chain. If you want to continue with the same color, make a double crochet into the very first stitch, the stitch that you just made your slip stitch in. It is a single crochet plus 2 chains. And if you want to change your color, pull this loop, turn your project, insert your hook into the same stitch that you were in, like this, and pull this loop out. Is the way to hide our slip stitch. And then turn your project, chain 1, and cut the yarn. This is the end of row 1. Next row, if you don't want to change your color, make a double crochet into the very first stitch, then chain 2 and continue making your other stitches into this chain 7 space, and continue making your stitches, and the last stitches will be into this gap. But if you want to change your color, do this. Grab your next color and insert your hook into this chain 7 space. Grab your yarn and pull it through. Take this short tail, then chain 1 to secure. Make a double crochet into the same space, and my first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Chain 1 and make a double crochet into the same space. Chain 1 and make a double crochet into the same space. We should have 7 double crochets in total with chain 1 between each stitch. Now chain 1 and make another double crochet into this space. This is the 4th one. Chain 1, make another double crochet, the 5th one. Chain 1, the 6th one. Chain 1 and the 7th one. Chain 2, 1, 2, and make 7 double crochets with the chain 1 space between each stitch into the next chain 7 space, and into every chain 7 space, and at the end of the row make a slip stitch into the first stitch, and then chain 1 and cut the yarn just like the first row. And this is the end of row 2. And hide these short tails at the back of your project back and forth when you finish each row to have a clean and nice project. Row 3, insert your hook into the very first double crochet that you had, like this. Grab your next color, your first color or any color that you want, pull it through, take this short tail and chain 1 to secure. And make a single crochet into the same space. chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a single crochet into the first chain, just like this. Skip the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet into the next double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a single crochet into the very first stitch, very first chain. Skip the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet into the next double crochet, like this. And continue this process until you finish all your 7 stitches. And when you reach this chain 2 space, make 2 single crochets in it. Then into the first double crochet, make a single crochet, chain 3, and make a single crochet into the very first chain, just like this. And continue until you finish all your 7 stitches. So this is how it should look like. Make a single crochet into every double crochet, chain 3, make a single crochet into the very first chain, and continue until you finish all your 7 double crochets. And into this chain 2 space, make 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. And then into the next double crochet, make a single crochet, chain 3, make a single crochet into the very first chain, and continue until you finish all your stitches. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet, but if you want to have a clean and nice project, stop here, cut your yarn, pull it out. When you pull it out, turn your project and insert your hook from the back side of your first single crochet like this. Take the tail and pull it out to create a loop like this. Then turn your project, insert your hook from the back loop of your last single crochet like this. Take the tail and pull it out. This way we create a stitch that looks like the other stitches, so the end won't be so visible. Then thread your needle, turn your project, and make a small knot to secure it, and then hide the tail at the back of your project back and forth. Then hide the tails at the back of your project back and forth. So I hid all the tails, and this is the final result. Hope you liked this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, write your comments down below and support me. See you in next tutorials. Bye!